Assalamu alaikum. This is me Abdul Basit. Today's topic is future tense. It has four parts: simple future tense or future indefinite tense, future continuous tense or future progressive tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. What is tense? Tense were taken from the Latin word tempus and its mean time. I'm gonna explain all these in this video. Please watch till end and subscribe my channel. Simple future tense is used when an action is expected to occur in the near future, right? The structure is subject plus well plus verb first form plus rest of the sentences. Subjects are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. That you know it. Well is a helping verb, and then rest of the sentences. Example is I will write a letter. I is subject, well is a helping verb, write is verb first form or base form of the verb, a letter is a object. He will eat the meal. He is subject, well is helping verb, eat is verb, the meal is object. What will be the negative? In negative, we will only put not after helping verb. Subject plus well plus not plus verb first form plus rest of the sentences. I will not write a letter. He will not eat the meal, right? Interrogative. We will put well before subject, and in the end of the sentence we will use a question mark. Interrogative mean question sentences. Well, I write a letter, question mark. The helping verb will be used before subject, right? Well, I eat the meal. Let's have a look to another tense, and it is called the future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used when an action is expected to be going on at some point in the future, right? This tense is also known as future progressive tense. That means that an action will progress in some time in the future. Not completed, but is progress, the duration in the future. There is a timeline. This is now, and this is 9 a.m. and after is 5 p.m. So these two are called the future simple tense. I will start at 9. I will finish at 5. But in the middle, this duration is called the future continuous tense, and it will be I will be working from 9 to 5 tomorrow, right? Then we have a structure of the future continuous tense. It's quite easy. Okay, subject plus well plus be plus verb ing plus rest of the sentences. I will be writing a letter. I will be eating the meal, right? This is quite easy. Then we have another tense, and it is the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is used to express actions that will be finished at some point in the future, before another future event. What will be the structure? The structure is subject plus well plus have plus verb third form plus rest of the sentences. It has two helping verbs. What is the example? I will have written a letter. And this structure, in this tense, we will use the verb third form, and third form is also known as past participle. I will have eaten the meal. Will have is two helping verbs, eaten is a third form, the meal is an object. Then we have another tense, and it is a future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense expresses the ongoing actions that will be completed at some specified point of time in the future. Structure is a subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing plus rest of the sentences. I will have been a later. In here we have three helping verbs: will, have, been, and the writing is a present participle, the verb fourth form, ing form. A later is object. I will have been, or sometimes we call been and been, both are right. I will have been eating the meal. Negative, you will be put note after well. And if you want to make the interrogative sentence, will place before subject, and it will be, well, I have been eating the meal.